crown aren't made of rhinestone. They're made of discipline, determination, and hard to find alloy called courage. Maayong gabi sa inyo nga tanan, or should I say, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Standing before you is no other than Scarlett Galacio Gonzaga from the home of Mascaro Festival, bringing you the sweetest smile from Bacolod City. Kaya naman po sa gabing ito, hayaan niyo po akong maghingi sa inyo ng pasigabong palakpakan at sigawan. Kasi po, ang mahal ng plane ticket mula pa sa Bacolod City. Maayong gabi.
Ladies and gentlemen, our candidate number 2 from Bacolod City, Miss Scarlett Gonzaga.